To fix Call of Duty Warzone not launching, start by locating the game in your Steam library. Right-click on the game and select Properties. Then navigate to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process scans for and replaces any corrupted files automatically. If this doesn't resolve the issue, click Browse and locate the game's executable file, which is usually labeled as Call of Duty or Warzone. Right-click this file, select Properties, and go to the Compatibility tab. Ensure all options are turned off, with no check marks, and then click OK and Apply. Try running Call of Duty Warzone again. If the problem persists, creating a new user account on your computer may help. Install Steam on this new account, and then try installing and running Call of Duty Warzone. This approach has worked for many others, and it may work for you as well. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue and get back to playing Call of Duty Warzone.